In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid 1688 scammers, fake sellers. If you're sourcing from 1688, a few careful checks can save your budget and your timeline. I'll walk you through exactly what to look for on a seller's page, how to verify product and store credibility, and what to do if something goes wrong so you can shop confidently and keep your money protected. Start on the seller page by checking verification badges. Look for Shili Shangjia, which signals a verified strong seller, Gong Han, meaning the account is a factory, and a Chengxin Tong membership with at least 2 years. These badges indicate stability and identity verification. Be cautious with pages that have no badges at all or brand new accounts under 6 months. Those are common markers of risk. Next, open the store profile and review key details. 2 or more years in business is safer. Scan their transaction volume, how many buyers come back, and the overall store rating. If you see a new store advertising prices far below the market, treat it as a red flag and slow down your evaluation. Look at product history. Strong monthly sales, lots of genuine buyer reviews, and buyer uploaded photos labeled Shipei are positive signals. Avoid listings with 0 sales, only glossy stock photos, and no reviews. Real purchase activity over time is one of the best indicators that a listing is legitimate. Before placing an order, chat with the seller. Ask for real product photos taken in their workspace, packaging photos, confirmation of the minimum order quantity, and an accurate production timeline. Watch for pushy behavior, refusal to use escrow, or any request to pay outside the platform. Those are immediate deal breakers. Never pay outside 1688. Do not send money through WeChat, bank transfer, or external messaging links. Always pay inside 1688 using Alipay escrow. Escrow holds your funds and only releases them after you confirm everything is correct, which is your primary layer of protection. Be skeptical of prices that are much cheaper than comparable listings. Extremely low prices often signal counterfeits or bait and switch tactics. Compare 3 to 5 suppliers for the same item to set a realistic price baseline. For shipping, use a China-based warehouse or forwarder on your first orders. They can inspect items, count quantities, reject wrong products, and take photos as proof. Avoid shipping directly to your country until you've validated both the product and the seller. Do not confirm receipt early. Confirm only after your warehouse receives the goods and completes a quality check, because your confirmation releases the money. If something is wrong, open a dispute immediately. Go to my